Hello, my friends. Today we're taking a look at the Nothing 3. Pretty excited. This looks really cool. It says it's got 100 sports mode. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nice presentation. So if you are looking for a gift for someone, this would definitely make a great gift. Wow, they got that on there tight. Nice gift box. Again, really nice presentation. So there's more accessories in here, so make sure you take them out. Our manual and charging cable are in here. I love the magnetic strap. I think that is amazing. Nice wide display. That's pretty cool. Press and hold the button here to turn it on. Whoa, that is nice. Look at the graphics. That is high quality, my friends. Wow, look at these different ones. Look, my friends, wow. The quality is just top notch. Touch screen works great. Training, status, SOS, phone, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, SpO2, weather, music, messages, alarm clock, stress, mood, breath rate, breathe, game, voice assistant, raised awake, functions, settings. I mean, there's tons. Watch face, theme, always on display, brightness, screen time, sounds, info, on, off, reset, QR code, password, all of that stuff. Regular sports, outdoors, ball dancing, martial arts, gymnastics, and there's so much more that you guys can do. You can also use this for scrolling. Settings up top there. Messages down there. Training. Okay, so that's what we were on. You can do your regular sports walking. So then it will count your steps as you're walking, which is pretty awesome. And then you got all these stats for that. We're going to stop that. SOS. And there's so much more you guys can do. This is amazing. You guys can also use the app. But overall, very nice. This is what it looks like on my wrist. I really do like this, guys. Like, this is really nice. I love the color combination. Everything about this is really nice, guys. Look at that. You know, if you're feeling that kind of style, you go with that style. Overall, amazing. I know I keep saying that, guys, but I love it.